Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and this is a fourth grade game called Number Crunching, and it gets into understanding place value. So students are going to play. There's going to be 4 students competing against each other. They're going to take turns rolling 5 dice, and they're trying to get the top score. So I'm going to show you just one card on here real quickly so you can see it. So you go one category at a time. So you can roll 5 dice, and I've rolled 5 dice over here if I can grab them all. And I've got a 4, 5, 6, 3, and a 2. And it says number with 3 in the tens place. So I do have a 3, so I can write down any number I want to that has 3 in the tens place. So I want a large number. So I'm going to start with 6, 4. I have to have a tenths place. So I'm going to go 6, 4, 5. And then I have my 3 in the tenths place. And then my 2. So I have to figure out how I want to write those numbers out. This is the way I wrote it because I have the tenths place. I have the 3 in the tenths place. So let's say I rolled again and it says the number 5 is in the ones place. So let's say I have the same numbers. I'm going to this time, let's say I do 4, 3, and then I'm going to have that 5 in the ones place. And then the 6 and the what's left 2. So I have written that down. So then I would roll these dice again. Each player is taking turns. They're rotating between the 4 kids each time they're going to roll. If it takes some time to think about it, they can write their numbers off to the side as they think about how to write a number with 4 in the hundredths place or 4 hundredths. So they're figuring out where they're going to place the numbers. If they don't have a number that fits this, they're going to mark an X in that spot, and then they get no points for that round if they do not roll a number that's shown on here. So there's different problems on all of these. They can talk about it amongst themselves, but they're going to be writing all these numbers into the decimal amount, into the hundredths place, and then they're going to write their final score down here, and they're going to compare their scores to see who won that round. So you can play this game a second time if you want to, and play a little bit like Yahtzee, in which you can keep 3 numbers and roll well, you can keep any dice you want to, and then roll the other dice that you don't want to keep. So let's say you have you did not have the 4. You can keep 3 of them and try to roll 2 of them and see if you can create a 4 so that you can fill in that space. So that's how you can alter this lesson if you want to. So enjoy.